Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable registry backup on Windows 10. Type RegEdit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand control. Click and expand Sessions Manager, click and expand Configuration Manager. Create new DWord 32-bit, named as Enable Periodic Backup, change value data to 1. Close and restart system. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.